So big change to your credit score that you haven't heard about yet. FICO just confirmed that the buy now, pay later loans, like the ones from Affirm, Afterpay, are going to start affecting your credit score. So think about that. The same short-term interest-free payments that used to sneakers, book vacations, they're now going to be tracked just like a credit card or a loan. So here's what that means for you. If your payment history on buy now, pay later is fair game, missing a payment lower your score. The FICO 10 and FICO Score XD, whatever the new factors are already starting to use them. So these loans will now show up on your credit file. So if you stack 4 or 5 buy now, pay laters in a short time, the lenders could view it as risky. So a ton of people already rely on it as a budgeting tool. And now one little slip up there could impact your ability to qualify for a mortgage, a car loan, or even insurance. Then add this to the fact that we already just had that student loan mess up where they turned back online, nobody was ready for them, notified, and there's how many millions of people that got that late credit on their thing, their scores dropped 50 or 100 points. These are the sort of things that are going to squeeze the lending market even more, because just a simple mistake of you missing one payment is now going to be a trackable thing that could, for anyone who knows who's been through a loan, if you have a house and you're late on a credit card payment or a car payment, it doesn't do as much damage as if you don't own a house and that's your only credit and you miss one of those payments. You get demolished. And very rarely, I mean, they can do like one-time extensions and things, but very rarely do they overturn it. So just another thing to look at in the housing market, but looking at unemployment, looking at everything but the stock market, who's lost its mind. I think it's time for another little series, another little recap of where we are and where I think we're going, and what we have to look at and look towards, because it's a weird time. You got different markets saying different things, and if you're basing it on just one view, you're missing the whole picture. So we'll get through that soon, but check it out. If you're doing any buy now, pay later stuff, definitely something to keep in mind.